Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll like talk about ARA, Cardano targets updates with my customer request. Just a local one. Let's dive in, guys. Global chart, you remember. So this is a global chart since Cardano exists, September 17. You know, all targets with the trade on indicator on your screen. You know, my targets for Cardano, it's $1.92, $2.20, $2.59, $2.77. It's more than okay to fix step by step the profit from Cardano. If you believe in the all-time high, it's $4.55. So this is it. XRP, for example, sweep the high, you know, form a correction, and maybe form another leg up. Cardano lagging. I'm not a fan of Hoskinson. I'm not a fan of Cardano. I'm not a cool guy, you know, like ARA. They build something during the last, I don't know, 8 years, and nothing happened. Nothing happened. No product, nothing. You can write in the comments, complain about it, argue with me, you know, but it's a fact. Even I don't know, a lot of projects run something. Cardano just by marketing. So Hoskins all the time just promising some crazy stuff for the Cardano. Now we go into the moon. We go into $10 to $5 at least, to $20 to $100, and nothing happened. And cycle after cycle, absolutely the same story. So here was this fancy story about we go into the moon. We reach like $1.28, dump it to 3 cents, COVID dump. Everybody complain about, oh, Cardano should go to the moon, you know, when we start pumping just because of liquidity, not just because of, you know, Cardano is something special. No, we pump it just because everything go up after the COVID, right? And Hoskinson turn on the marketing campaign, you know, and talk about we going to the moon. We hit the $3, and here nothing happened. Nothing happened. It just was a pure speculation, like with any other tokens. So guys, like any other tokens, yes, just like speculation, Cardano hit 455. So that's it. It's pretty simple. With the updates, with marketing or without marketing, guys, just don't fall in love with in all of that fundamental stuff with the devs and the team. They shill you. It's just a part of the game, part of the marketing. 27 block was a logical entry. By the way, take a look. When they need, you know, they can just pump or dump, just grab liquidity, shorts or long. Take a look this week. You remember that day? On the Binance, we didn't see this one. But I remember on other exchanges, you know, in one day, we dump it from $1.10, we dump it to 15 cents and bounce back. It was a spike, just like 15 minutes. Because they need to grab all this order flow, right? And liquidate the guys. And with that liquidity, put the price higher to $2.40. After that, correction in summer and new all-time high. So that's it, guys. I highly recommend you use customer request side because it's give you a lot of data, additional data for analysis. So global targets, guys, you know what we form now. Technically, this was a 27 block for accumulation. We tested several times, tested, bounced it, rejected 23, collapse it down, form this one. Also, the kind of different stories between the Binance and the other exchanges and the crypto in general. So here, low of February 25, sweep the low and form another equal lows. I don't like this stories like this one, you know, because we can come back and grab that liquidity again. Should we drop? Have no idea. Full fill, it's 38 cents. So I don't like when we build some liquidity like this one. I don't like it, you know, because at any moment we can dump and grab liquidity like to the full fill, right? 38 cents. Now, this is the 38 cents current full fill of a monthly gap. Uptrend, of course, guys, you know, we have to sweep this high, $1.33, and test 0.5, $1.92 is going to be the first trouble area. Sol, for example, around here, Ethereum around here. So Cardano lagging. I'm more than sure we will hit this target sooner or later. I don't think so. We will see something like this one and going down. No, I think Cardano, like any other, all these cool tokens, will pump and hit the target. So should you buy Cardano now at 59 cents? It's only up to you guys. 38 or 59. So more comfortable prices, which one for you. Zone of accumulation, I shared with you before. So 27 block was a zone of accumulation for investment. Now, it's okay because we're still under zero level, but it's still, you know, still under, of course, 0.5 level by FIB, and still not so far from the accumulation zone. So you can, for example, buy at 59, and if we'll see the dump again, you can buy second order at 29, for example, or 38 or 22. So you took a risk or not. Local one, guys. Local one, if we count, you know, the FIB from this impulse, we not touch the 78 or 86. Also form these equal lows and all of this stuff. If we count from this impulse, this one, like this candle, right? We touch it. We touch that zone several times. So basically no makes sense to drop it again. So probably this one can be more correct. Impulse, correction 0.5, bounce, correction 78, bounce 0.5, drop, grab liquidity. What's the point to drop it again? I have no idea. So the next step is $1.50, $1.59, $1.94, $1.92, global one. Pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. And at $1.94, $1.92, we have to pay attention for the BTC dominance. We have to pay attention for the Fed, for the Trump, for the macro in the world. You know, the timing. For example, if it will be there, for example, the November. Maybe it's going to be the top for Cardano. Who knows? Who knows? That's why I highly recommend you guys track with indicator SAB what's going on the weekly and on the daily. Let's double check. So trade on here, sell, buy back. Now nothing. Technically, we already formed the correction. I want to show you ADZ direction. ADZ, I want to show it on the Binance. Here. Here. Let's hide the FIB. This one. So here was a pump, distribution. Now we're in the middle line. Accumulation was here, 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 here. So that's the point on the weekly. Now it's okay. It's okay for accumulation. That's not a distribution. So once again, I guess we're gonna form the something like this one, guys. Bounce, bounce, like this one. Divergence on the weekly, and we can form even the new all-time high, 450. That's the point. Based on direction, accumulation was here, the last one. Now it's a hope. Now it's a hope for Cardano. All targets, guys, you know. Now it's a crucial moment for Cardano to push the price higher with a new liquidity. You know, when a BTC dominance a little bit drop, all alts will pump so fast. We don't need to so crazy long road, like 1 year we pump it step by step. No, it's gonna be so fast, guys. Market mode we can close, direction we can close. Here, money power, guys, money power for Cardano. Money outflow was here. Money inflow was in May 24, 43 cents. Money outflow where at $1.16, $1.16 and $1.32. So almost 200% profit. Right, so they cash out. Now we drop and no money inflow. It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad. Daily, of course, the whales accumulate. The whales accumulate. So guys, once again, the drop is 38 cents and 32. So that's a target. If you want to take a risk now, you can do this one. It's more than healthy. Accumulate even at 59 with the targets. Targets, you know. Last guys indicators take profit. Take profit on the weekly, global one. We get this one hide. Take profit on the weekly. What I don't like, we didn't test the buy line. The same story like on Sol, but Sol drop it here around the buy line. Cardano buy line now at 39.47. Just up to you, accumulate or not. So we're just like in the middle. Take profit is 78.71. Exit line 88.40 on a weekly. Daily, buy line 45 cents, fundamental value 33. Take profit 89, and $1 price is exit line. So up to you. Accumulate or skip this token. I personally skip. I'm not a fan of Cardano. Also, what I don't like, buy line on the monthly 33.42. Fundamental value 24.98. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 25 cents. That's why flash crash 38, full fill of monthly gap, 36 with a weak candle. So that's it. But everything depends now on BTC dominance. So guys, all targets I showed you. Right, please send a comment. Are we going to $1.92 or are we going to 38 cents? If you like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.